refer to the bulletin for more information. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with torrential rainfall extending from Bloomingdale and the Savannah International Airport south through Silk Hope, Burroughs, and Fort McAllister. A quick 2 to 4 inches of rain can fall across the warning area through 6:30 p.m., resulting in flash flooding. Flooded roadways are likely. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pooler, Richmond Hill, Hunter Army Airfield, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Windsor Forest, downtown Savannah, Coffee Bluff, Savannah International Airport, Midtown Savannah, and Hutchinson Island. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 near mile marker 148, in between mile markers 151 and 168. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 91 and 112. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 9. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Report flooding directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 or email your reports to nws.charleston@noaa.gov. Let's review the difference between the watch and the warning.